Hello everyone, let's solve this question together. It says 3x raised to the power half is equal to 5x. Okay, we are required to find x. And the first thing to do here is to divide both sides by x raised to the power half. So I have x raised to the power half over x raised to the power half. X raised to the power half, we'll go with x raised to the power half, giving me 3 here. And this is equal to 5 multiplied by x over x raised to the power half. Okay, therefore this becomes equal to 3 is equal to 5 times x raised to the power 1 minus half. Okay, and therefore 3 becomes equal to 5 multiplied by x raised to the power half. Alright, now from here you can now see if you divide both sides by 5, you will be left with 3 over 5 to be equal to x raised to the power half. If you square both sides, okay, we have 9 over 45 on this side, sorry, 9 over 25, okay, so be equal to x times x raised to the power half times 2, and this becomes 9 over 25 is equal to x raised to the power half times 2 is 1, okay, therefore x is equal to 9 over 25. Cheers.